So here it is, folks, the Xbox Series X. Yeah, we know it's not the Xbox Series X. This is the new Oppo Reno 4 Pro 5G, but it's in a slick box, isn't it? Look at that, quite nice. So let's go ahead and unbox this for today. This obviously is not the retail sample, this is a press sample, so you will not get this box. This is what Oppo has sent us. Ooh, look at that, quite nice the way it opens up, and you have the actual retail box sitting here, which is this. Now we've got a little drawer over here as well, which has the Enoch W51 wireless headset that you get with this. Let's go ahead and put that aside, and let's look at the Oppo Reno 4 Pro 5G. Now this is not the non-5G variant which was released earlier in the year. This is actually the 5G variant, which has slight differences in hardware. My particular unit is 12 GB RAM and 256 gigs of storage. Let's go ahead and open that up. And let's start with the usual suspects. So we probably have, what is that? That's a quick start guide. It's in Arabic and English, and warranty information, and the SIM card tool ejection tray, whatever thing that you want to call it. So this is the phone right here, Oppo Reno 4 Pro 5G. Now it has the ultra night wide angle video. We've seen Oppo do brilliant photos in nighttime. This one apparently does great video as well. We'll check that out in our video review basically. 65 watt Super VOOC 2.0. Now this was introduced in the Oppo Find X2 Pro earlier in the year, which charges the battery from 0 to 100 in 35-36 minutes, and this is a 4000 milliamp battery, I believe, so it's quite fast for that level of battery. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset. Now this is not necessarily the highest end chipset. Oppo's flagship product was the Find X2 Pro that we saw earlier this year, but the 765G is supposed to be a really good chipset. It's what is rumored to be used in the upcoming Google Pixel 5, so it should be a fairly fast processor. 7.6mm ultra slim body. Again, it's very thin, very nice in your hand, not very wide either, feels quite nice. And then 90Hz 3D curved screen. So this is an AMOLED screen with 90Hz refresh rate. Let's go ahead and just remove this. And I'm going to keep this aside just to see our charger and what else is in the box. So you've got a standard USB charging cable, USB Type-C, and we have the headset again, Type-C. And this is the massive 65 watt charging brick. Takes you from 0 to 135 minutes, as I mentioned. This is the phone itself. Looks nice. It's fairly light. There's a punch hole camera on there. You've got 3 cameras on the back. There's an interesting little print over here. I'm not sure if the camera is catching that, but it's a nice print. I don't know if it's an Oppo logo or what exactly that is, but it looks quite slick. So there are volume keys on this side, and then the signature Oppo green power button. Now the cameras over here, obviously you've got the main primary camera, which is supposed to take great low light shots. We'll put that on test during our review. You've got the ultra wide and the telephoto. So that is a quick unboxing video for the Oppo Reno 4 Pro 5G, and we're looking forward to reviewing it. This is Abbas signing out. Stay tuned to Tech Radar for everything in the world of tech. Please do subscribe and hit that bell icon if you want to stay notified about all our new videos.